Hi parents, I'm Benjamin, better known as Math Guru Ben. As the author of 18 math books and tutor to over 3,000 traveling students, I really believe every child can build strong math confidence and foundation. Today, let's learn together and make math a little more fun for your family. Let's get started. All right, so in this question, can we have the keywords first? Male, female, 1:5. Okay, then after that, the next keyword? After, right? After is always a keyword. Go on. 25%. So when you see a fraction, we are supposed to change it into a fraction, right? So I should get 1 out of 4. So if I make this 1 out of 4, then what is the 1? No, 1 is not 25. Come on. How can 1 be 25? If 1 is 25, then what's the point of writing this? Okay, what is 4 first? Let's start with 4. It has to refer to a word in the question. Okay, there's the word of here. So it is the what? Okay, so it's of. And then it is the male participants. So the 4 is the male participants. What is the 1? Continue reading. They are the ones who did not make it to the second round. So the 1 is referring to those who did not make it to the second round. Now, 60%, what should I convert this into? 3/5, right? Okay. So if I convert this into 3/5, can you tell me what is the 5? So 5 refers to, because there's the word of here, so with the word female here, then 5 is the females, you're right. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to point it all the way across to here. Okay, and what would the 3 be? So 3 are those who did not make it to the second round. Let's continue with the keywords, please. 15 more females than male. And what is the first question? Female to male when? Second round. And what's the second question? Just keywords, please. More females than male. Keywords only, please. Thank you. Okay, so you are saying that we should highlight the word second round here. Fair enough. So now we have the ratio of 1:5 at first. Okay, so the 1:5 works like this. 1:5. Now I don't have my my pen doesn't work, so I'm going to reset my computer after this, but for now, we'll just do this as best we can. So here, 1:5. In this 1:5, the 1 represents the male. Okay, as you can see from here, that the 1 is the first one, so it's male, and then the 5 will be the female. Okay, so for that reason, I'm going to put here compared to the bottom here, which is female. Okay, so it will just look like this. And this is the number of people at first, right? So if this is the number of people at first, then what we want to do is we want to put here and here start. Okay, so I'm going to make this words a little bit smaller. Start, and this would also be the start. Okay, now we come to this part where it says after the first round, 1/4 of the male and 3/5 of the female did not make it to the second round. So the first thing you want to pay attention to is this one. And as you can see, the denominator is 4. So because the denominator is 4, then we are going to cut this into 4 parts. This will be split into 4 parts. Okay, so I cut this into 4 parts. And out of these 4 parts, how many of these will make it? How many of them will make it to the second round? Will make it. Very good. So these are the ones who do not make it, and these other 3 will be the ones that actually make it. Okay, so this 3 will be the ones who make it. This one did not make it. Very good. So I'm gonna type this in. I'm gonna make it smaller. Let's use the word failed. Okay, failed. Those who failed to make it and those who made it. Okay, so these are the ones who failed. Then in the second model out of 5, because I've cut this into 4 units, bear in mind that each of them is now 4 units. Understand? So for that reason, this I'm going to put here for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, and oops, 4 units. I'm going to give you clues, and I want you to tell me what to do. Okay? If you look at the screen now, you will see 3/5. Out of the 3/5, we already decided that 5 is the number of female participants. How many boxes do you see here? Okay. So this represents all the female participants. Of this 5, 3 are those who did not make it to the second round. So how many made it to the second round? Parents, if this is sparking aha moments, a like and would subscribe would really help me reach more families. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thanks for supporting your child's learning journey with me. There are 5, and out of the 5, 3 did not make it. So how many made it? You either make it or you don't make it. So if there are 5, look at my hands. If there are 5 and 3 did not make it, how many made it? Okay, so that means these are the ones who did not make, these are the ones who made it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reset it. Okay, never mind. So these are the ones who made it, and these are the ones who did not make it. Okay, so these are the ones who failed. Okay, these are the ones who failed. Now what's happening? These are the ones who failed, and the shaded ones are the ones who made it. Okay, shaded ones are the ones who made it. Okay, so can you tell me now? In the second round, they say to you that there are 15 more female than male. First question: what is the ratio of female to male participants? And go ahead and sit there. Thank you. What is the ratio of female to male participants in the second round? Okay, so this one, Kayla, I would like you to answer me. This is very straightforward. You can see it directly from the model. Okay, so how many units are there in the males who made it and the female? So if I said female to male, what's your answer? Female to male, not male to female. Female to male. 8 is to 3. Very good. So from the model itself, you can already see the answer that it should be 8 is to 3 units. So this is where the answer comes from. Okay, so just going to put it here. Part A, female to male, and then I'm going to put below. All right, so this is the answer for the female to male for A. Now we go to the second part. Varun, have you managed to get the second part? You did, huh? Okay. The question is now asking you, how many more female than male were there at first? The clue given to you is that there were 15 more female than male in the second round. The clue is here. This is where you use it, huh? In the second round, there were 15 more female than male. And the difference between the female and male is here. So how many units is 15? Let me try again. How many units is 15? Okay, let me ask you again. How many units of female are there in the end? And how many are there for the male? There are 15 more female than male. So how many units is that? Okay, 8 minus 3. This is units, by the way. That's 5 units. And this 5 units would represent, this 5 units would represent 15. So naturally, 1 unit would be how much, Jonas? 3, right? Okay, good. So that's 15. I don't have the divide sign, so I'm going to use this. Divide by 5. And that will give me 3. So if 1 unit is 3, how many more female than male at first? Okay, so the female than male at first, tell me how many more female than male were there? The difference is here. How many units is this? 16, is it? Okay, and we just found 1 unit, so what should I do now? 3 times 16, very good. So that's how you finish the question. Okay, so since there were 16 units of difference at first, so I will take 16 times 3 to get 48. And that's your answer for B. Okay, so we are done. So the first part of the question, answer is 8 is to 3. Second part, 16 units is 48. Okay, we're done. Well done. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today, parents. I truly appreciate your dedication to your child's learning journey. And if you found these tips helpful, please hit the subscribe and the bell. It means the world to me, and it means your family stays updated with fresh math ideas. Take a peek at the description for more helpful resources I've put together just for you.